This is the person that you want to bring. This person will reignite them, resuscitate in some ways, and just reinvigorate them for the role that they have in the job.
So people who feel great don't just say good morning. They say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Great? Yeah, great. I'm great. I'm great every morning. Don't get me started on that.
And I wanted to make sure I let them know I hadn't talked to you. You didn't come from out of my back pocket or my list of resources. You were actually a recommendation from someone else. So I was a little hesitant, but it feels great. I'm so glad that I took that risk.
I'm looking for a particular word because somebody's screaming out. To me, they matter. Because when you realize that your position and your impact matters, it all pours into this word, I care.
I mean, he really did his homework. He read the mission and vision, he read the goals, and he included it in his presentation. It didn't feel butchered. It felt like it was a natural part of who he was and what he was doing.
By taking intentional, if this word wasn't here, this wouldn't be the same.
Right.
Intentional.
And so I'm so very thankful for you coming to the school and really embracing the staff and feeling the energy and talking about team disease.
Because if I'm here for level 1, every day I'm walking in here for level 1. Because if I can't walk in here for level 1, how am I going to expect a student to walk in here for level 1?
But things that I have not said, you were able to say it in such energy and such life, and really say to them, listen, you make an impact, you have to care. I love how you defined what I care means and how you took them through that process and asked them questions about it.
They all empower each other. If I'm coming in the morning and I'm saying, and I see Miss Knox, I'm like, Miss Knox, you better do your job today. She's gonna be like, I guess I should do my job today. Right?
Actually had them to identify a staff member that they felt brought impact. I wish I had more time. I do understand why you say, man, this is a 4-hour workshop, because it is, and I saw it where it was getting and digging into those areas that are deep.
What about Dean Williams? Hey, what is his position?
Mission role, he's the dean of students here, in charge of a lot of behavior stuff, all that, and it's a big role here. The impact that he had, I think it starts and ends with anytime you see Dean Williams as a teacher, you see Dean Williams, your students see Dean Williams, your job gets easier.
Clap it up for Dean Williams, please.
I think they got that their impact matters, that no matter what role they're in the school, they need to come and care about their role. They actually need to take the responsibility to respect others and themselves, to take action right where they are. That's what I heard. That's what I heard them actually discussing and talking about, that I matter, that whole piece about I matter. I think that helped to boost their esteem. So listen, if you have somewhere to go and you want to actually, you have a vision that where you are is not good enough, then you want to bring Jabari in.
They're going. Yeah.
So I appreciate it. Thank you. I definitely will have you again.